Hey there, this is Dan at ManyChat, and something that we hear a lot from people is basically the question, how do I get subscribers in Facebook Messenger? So, uh, one thing I want to say is that it's actually really simple, and it's just like you would do with any of your other content marketing channels. So, a lot of people use lead magnets to try to get people to, basically opt into an email list, and we're going to basically do the same thing here. And all you're doing is you're just using a different channel. So, let's head over to ManyChat because this this tool makes this really simple. We're going to go to Growth Tools, which is where think of this as the place where you're going to grow your subscribers. So we're going to create a new widget. And what I've done is I've kind of set up my own Facebook page here for testing, and I want to offer a little bit of content to help people understand what product marketing is, because that's what I do. So what we have here is the ability to create a landing page, like a standalone landing page that we host, a button, that basically just sends whatever content you want to Facebook Messenger, and these card things. Well, I really like the landing pages because they're really simple. You can get them set up really fast. So let's just try that out. I'm going to create a new landing page, and I'm going to call it Product Marketing 101. So you can drop an image there. You can do all kinds of custom images. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, do you think product success is totally random? Think again. With product marketing principles, you can greatly increase the likelihood of your products being successful. If you want to learn more, I'd love to send you something about product marketing. So I'm kind of doing this on the fly. I didn't like come up with scripts at the beginning of these videos. I'm just kind of doing this as I go. Um, Another thing that's really cool about this is you can subscribe people to sequences. So sequences are basically autoresponders like what you would see in an email marketing program or something, but this is just an automated sequence of messages that you can send to people based on what they opt into. So, excuse me. Product Marketing 101 is what I want to subscribe people to, and I will just click Go Next. And the opt-in message is, thanks, super, really glad to be in touch. And then I'm going to go ahead and press save. And then this is actually pretty cool. So let's go ahead and try to preview this real quick. All right, awesome. This went to my Facebook Messenger so I can just see how this looks. Oops, let me just get rid of that. All right, cool. So the connection is working. So what I want to do now is basically see the landing page. I'm going to save this. And this is the URL of the landing page. You can put this behind a bit.ly link. You can do all kinds of different stuff. So here it is. Here's the random landing page that I just set up in like 5 seconds. And this is something that I could send. I could buy ads and send that this could be the endpoint of an ad, or this could be the endpoint of a campaign of any kind, basically an outbound campaign or an inbound campaign, trying to get people to know about your brand or know about your product or service. So hit send a messenger, and it immediately triggered the messenger. Really glad to be in touch. And all that this has just done is it subscribed me to the Product Marketing 101 course. And we should see that come through in a second. I've tried this a few times. It's already worked. But that's basically it. It's that simple to get subscribers. You can throw up a landing page using our growth tools and immediately start collecting subscribers if you start sending traffic to that page. So if you already have a landing page or something set up, you can use buttons also. So anywhere that you have the ability to paste in code like HTML5, you can use this widget. So you can basically just say opt-in widget for PM 101, and Yeah, basically you can choose which language you want this to say send to Messenger in. You can choose which size you would like it to be, and you can choose between blue or white right now. You can't really change the call to action. It's send to Messenger right now, but we've petitioned Facebook to be able to change that, and I think they're going to give us that opportunity soon. Again, we want to subscribe people to Product Marketing 101 because we're basically just going to drop this into uh, like our website or something. So cool. We'll send you this shortly. Save. And you can do all kinds of stuff in here. You can also get, you can add images. You can drop files. Imagine if you had an opt-in for a coupon or something, where somebody you could just send to Messenger and they get a coupon code. That'd be really cool. So it looks like this is an iframe, and basically we're gonna just copy and paste that into anything like a website, and that would that would work just fine. So hopefully this gives you some ideas about how you can start using these widgets. We call them widgets, but they're really just places you can send traffic to. Hopefully get people to kind of opt into an offer that you have, just like you would with an email list, except now you have a more intimate channel of communication over Facebook Messenger that you can use with them. So I'm going to be covering growth tools a lot more thoroughly in later videos, but this is just a basic primer. Hopefully you can use this for all the good stuff you're doing.